Hello and welcome. TD Synnex Corporation, ticker symbol SNX, is one of the stocks that I want to buy in 2024. This company specializes in process services like system design, logistic, cloud, online, and financial services. I want to buy 20 shares and pay $90.15 per share. And the first thing that I like about this company is that the revenue has been increasing since 2017 except 2020, and the same thing for the net income except for 2021. The free cash flow in the first 9 months of 2023 is positive and growing compared to the 2 prior years. The debt is 13% out of the total assets, so in my opinion, the risk of default is low. The company is buying back some of its shares in 2022 and the first 9 months of 2023. It's a dividend company and the expected yield in 2023 is 1.3%, which is not a lot. Something that I don't like about this stock is that the revenue declined by about 6% in the first 9 months of 2023 compared to 2022. This decline does not excite investors, so there is a risk because of this decline once the annual report is out and we know the full picture of 2023 operations. And because all of the things that I mentioned, I want to buy 20 shares and pay $90.15 per share because I want to make at least 15% return on investment, because in my opinion, the free cash flow per share for 2023 will be $13.52, and that is a conservative forecast. Please leave a comment if you found this video useful. It will only take 10 seconds out of your time, and see you in another analysis video.